never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw. Been in trouble with the law since the day they was born.
Bar Brady, your wife called. She wants you to get some pizza on the way home.
God damn it!
Good on you, buddy. That's a fucking good move. Isn't it? Oh, come on, you don't even fucking know where you're going. Jeez.
Are you consistently shit?
He hasn't figured it out yet in the truck. Oh, now he figures it out. You've had plenty of notification, truck driver, about the bloody lane merging, and you've got to wait until the very last second and go, oh shit, I better get over. What are you doing, Mr. P-Plater? That was interesting from the P-Plater. Don't quite know what was going on there, but I think, yeah, they wanted to go in the other entrance. The fuck are you doing? Unbelievable. Oh, pussycat. Oh, you are lucky, pussycat.
Fuck you!
Oh, good on you, bud. Well done. Jesus.
What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law.
You don't know what you're doing, do you?
In 600 meters enter the roundabout and take the second exit onto Rifle Range Road.
Oh, you fucking idiot. You absolute fucking dumbo.
I gotta barbecue your assy molasses!
Make a left turn on Amity Road.
Don't cut the corner! Hey, that's the way. Come on, what are you doing? You dumb shit! Oh, God!
But do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
In 1 kilometer, continue straight through the roundabout.
Don't cut the corner!
You should never give a dummy like that a license.